Hi guys, in this short video we will talk about the long tail cast on for ribbing, or I call it for ribbing. I don't know if it has any other name, but I'm using it for ribbing because it's giving this really beautiful appearance, this beautiful edge. This is not a loose cast on, it has this beautiful edge from here, and it fits too much with a ribbing, whether it is 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 ribbing. It is really beautiful. Look how it's holding here the knits. And also with the same technique, actually I took this one from here. This is a double strand long tail cast on. Here you see there is double strand. You are casting on with double strand at your long tail, and it's giving this appearance. And here it has a very beautiful edge, and it's very stable, very suitable for sweaters, armholes, ribbing of the sweaters, because it is stretchy, and also it is not loose, it is picking itself, and it's stable. Let's go on and look first with this double strand, how you will do this double strand technique. First of all, as I talked in another video, you will calculate the tail which you need for your stitches. Then after you calculate it, you will hold it and double it. Let's say I was needing that much for my project, for my knits which I need, and I am doubling it at the place which you double it here, whether you will do here a slip knot, or you will go on and keep this double long tail at your left hand, as we are doing exactly at the long tail technique. You will hold the rest in your hand this way, and you will start just as if you are doing a long tail. This will stay here, you will pick it up later in your. Now you are holding this double strand at your thumb, which is at your left side, and the working yarn on your index. The first one, we are doing it exactly like we do the long tail, but at the second one you will take your yarn not this way but this way around your thumb, and you will pick the yarn from here, from the back side of your yarn, which is toward your hand, and you will pick up your working yarn, go out from the hole and pull, and look how it picked both of them. Or actually this is not good here. Let's go on and do one more. The first one, same like the long tail technique, exactly. The second one, you will hold your tail from the opposite side of your thumb, pick up your working yarn, take it out from the hole and pull, and it's creating this beautiful thing which is tying as if the two stitches together. I will do it one more time. You will hold it normal as if you are doing this long tail cast on. The second one, you will hold it from the opposite side, pick up your working yarn, pass from the hole and pull. This is it. Let's go on and do the same. This is with the double. As I explained in another video, this is very suitable. My grandmother was using this for the sweaters, especially which she was doing for children and babies, because they need to have stable arms, not loose ones. And that's why we are doing it with double tail. It's becoming more steady. Now I'm doing it with this single yarn also, same like we are doing the long tail. Let me untie this one a bit. You will take a long tail as much as you need for your project. You will hold your tail at your left hand, it will stay at your left here, and your working yarn at your right. Pass the tail around your thumb, pass the working yarn over your index, hold it in your hand. For the first one, you need to put your needle at the center here and then continue normally. Take it from under your thumb, pick up your yarn, go out from the hole and pull, and you had your first 2 stitches. Now you will start this way. The first one, you will pick up your yarn from the thumb, take your working yarn, pass it through the hole and pull. The second one, you will do it from the opposite side. You will take it from the back side of your thumb, take your working yarn, pass it through the hole and pull, and it created this little nice bump which is holding the both stitches together. The first one will be as if normal long tail technique. The second one, you will take it from the opposite way, take it from here, pass it through the hole and pull, and this is it. One more, you will do this way, the first one. If you are comfortable with the long tail technique, you will understand this. If you are not, watch the video. The second one will be opposite from the standard long tail technique. You will not take your yarn this way, you will take your yarn from the opposite side, take your working yarn, pass it through the hole and pull. This is the appearance of it. While you are working, you can work them separated like I am doing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or you can count these are as if 4 1 2 3 4, and you can work them for the first row together. These 2 bumps, you will have these little tiny bumps at the edge of your work, and from down it will look this way. This is the appearance of it. Here I worked after I did this cast on, I worked them separated. I didn't work them together. So I had my knits under this bump. You see how it is as if catching this knit from the bottom. This is what I like at this, and I love this zigzag appearance here, and it is very stretchy and beautiful. This is the double strand technique for long tail, for ribbing. I am saying to it for ribbing because I don't like it for any other edge. It looks only good with me with ribbing. And this is the double. My dog is doing naughtiness. This is the double strand technique, which looks also nice. Now see you at the next video. Follow my videos. I have a big video for casting on all the techniques together which I know, and for each one of them I prepared small separated videos for not to put everybody in trouble to watch a half-hour video just for to learn how to do the long tail cast on or the simple cast on or this twisted German. So look to my channel, find the video which you like and watch it, subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and if you have any comments Please don't hesitate to write down any question which you have about knitting, crocheting, especially if you are new and wanting some new small details which will help you at your projects. Go on and write me some comments under my videos and I will try to help you. Thank you very much. See you at the next video. Bye bye.